Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-OME-TX11-WP wall plate transmitter. The OME-TX11-WP is a US 1-gang HDBaseT transmitter with a single HDMI input. It's the latest addition to the Omega Series. This product is for adding HDMI input connectivity wherever desired, such as a wall, lectern, or floor box. The OME-TX11-WP is cost-effective and features refined and modern styling. It works with the Omega Series receivers. Key features for the OME-TX11-WP: interchangeable white and black trim kits, 4K UHD extension up to 330 feet or 100 meters, status LEDs on the front panel. It is powered remotely by the receiver. The OME-TX-WP is primarily designed for point-to-point applications. However, it will be compatible with the Omega switchers with HDBaseT inputs, just without the USB capability. This product will also work with two other Atlona products that accept HDBaseT input. The OME-TX11-WP is ideal for commercial and educational applications. This product delivers simple HDMI extension solutions with the AT-OME RX11 receiver. Add in the AT-DISP STRL for automatic display control. The OME-TX11-WP provides convenient AV input access on a wall while discreetly extending HDMI to a display. This HDMI transmitter can be used with the OME RX21 or RX31 receivers with additional AV inputs. If desired, the RX11, RX21, and RX31 let you add a gain series amplifier and speakers. For more information on the OME-TX11 wall plate, head over to Atlona.com.